Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm sharing 7 of my top skincare tips to help you achieve that radiant complexion we all strive for. Let's get started. Let's start with the most fundamental skincare tip, staying hydrated. Drinking enough water is non-negotiable for healthy skin. Aim for 8 glasses a day. It makes a world of difference. Our skin is like a plant. It needs water to thrive. When we're dehydrated, our skin loses its plumpness and elasticity. So make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day. Let's talk about sunscreen because this is a non-negotiable. No matter what time of year it is, even when it's cloudy or cold, UV rays can still penetrate and damage our skin. We're talking premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and even skin cancer. Find a sunscreen you love with an SPF of 30 or higher and make it a part of your daily routine. Your future self will thank you for it. We are what we eat, and that definitely applies to our skin. Load up on vibrant, colorful produce packed with antioxidants. Think berries, leafy greens, citrus fruits. The works. Antioxidants fight off free radicals that can damage our skin cells. Don't forget about healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. Remember, glowing skin starts from within. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. It's not about having a 10-step routine, it's about finding what works for you and sticking to it. Start with the basics: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Tailor your routine to your specific skin type. If you have oily skin, look for oil-free or mattifying products. If you have dry skin, opt for richer, more hydrating formulas. Winter can be brutal on our skin, especially when it comes to dryness. The cold, harsh winds outside can leave our skin feeling tight and uncomfortable. The cold air outside, combined with the dry heat indoors, can zap the moisture out of our skin. Heaters, while keeping us warm, can create an environment that strips our skin of its natural oils, leading to flakiness and irritation. A humidifier adds moisture back into the air, preventing our skin from becoming overly dry. By maintaining a balanced humidity level in your home, a humidifier helps to keep your skin supple and smooth. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your skin feeling comfortable and hydrated all winter long. Not only does it benefit your skin, but it also helps with overall comfort, reducing static electricity and keeping your nasal passages moist. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. So, this winter, consider investing in a good humidifier. Your skin and your overall well-being will be much better for it. Let's talk about the connection between our minds and our skin. Our mental state can have a profound impact on our physical appearance, especially our skin. When we are stressed, our body releases hormones like cortisol, which can lead to various skin issues. Stress can manifest itself in physical ways, and our skin is often the first place we see it. From breakouts and acne to dullness and premature aging, the effects of stress are visible. It's not just about the occasional pimple. Chronic stress can lead to long-term skin problems. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy glow. Incorporating a consistent skincare routine can help, but it's equally important to address the root cause of stress. Taking time for self-care and relaxation can make a significant difference. Find what helps you unwind and de-stress, whether it's meditation, yoga, or simply curling up with a good book. These activities can help lower cortisol levels and improve your overall well-being. It's about creating a balance between your mind and body. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health. Surround yourself with positive influences and engage in activities that make you happy. Social interactions and laughter can also be great stress relievers. So, find what brings you joy and make it a part of your routine. Whether it's painting, gardening, or taking a relaxing bath, these moments of joy can help you stress less and glow more. Remember, a happy mind leads to healthy skin. You've probably heard it called beauty sleep for a reason, but have you ever wondered why it's called that? When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, and that includes our skin. During deep sleep stages, the body increases blood flow to the skin, which helps repair damage from UV exposure and other environmental factors. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin ample time to do its thing. This is when the production of collagen, a protein that helps keep your skin smooth and elastic, is at its peak. If you're having trouble sleeping, try establishing a relaxing bedtime routine. This could include activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness meditation. Creating a peaceful environment can make a world of difference in the quality of your sleep. Consider dimming the lights, using blackout curtains, and keeping your bedroom cool and quiet, and in turn, the health of your skin. So next time you think about skimping on sleep, remember that those extra hours are not just a luxury. They're a necessity for your skin's health and overall well-being. And there you have it, 7 tips to follow this new year for glowing skin. Be patient with yourself, listen to your skin, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.